Here we go. Nice. Sweet. That's pretty good air, actually.
Yeah.
Let's bring her back. Ooh. Nice. If you thought that was pretty sweet, guys, give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's go up over to these jumps over here. Ooh, on all four. Sweet. Ooh, nosedived it. Pinned. There's a berm right there. Let's get down in that berm. Ooh, that was painful. Ooh, we've got an issue, guys. We got an issue. Guys, the wheel came off. The tire, I mean. You gotta be joking with me. Let me go back to the vehicle, go look for my Allen's keys, and I'll try to get this put back on, and hopefully we'll still be able to rip around here a little bit. Be right back with you guys. All right, guys, I had to tighten up that bead lock ring. Hopefully that tire will stay on. We will see. So, let's go ahead and let's keep on going. Sweet. At least I didn't spin a wheel, Hex. That would have been worse. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna get down there and I think we're gonna go over to some of these jumps, maybe over here. Here we go. Oh, the wind just caught underneath of that. Here we go, guys. Giving her some throttle. Nice. Bringing her back. I can't give her too much throttle or she will spin out, especially not having any type of gyro feature. Ooh, nosedived it. Sweet. That one landed a little bit better. Ooh. Off the track. Oh, we lost it again. Was it the same tire? I think that was the same side, guys. Well, I still got the tools. I'll put it back on and see if it holds for a little while longer. All right, this is gonna be take number 3. So I screwed her down as tight as she'll go. So hopefully this works. How about flyby? Here we go. Rolling onto the throttle. Can't get all the power down. Spin her around, bring her back in this direction, guys. Here we go. Mouthful of dust. These tires still actually get better traction probably than the stock tires. They don't get as good a traction as, like, let's say a Proline Badlands would. But let's try jumping these ones up here, guys. Here we go. Take her down that way a little ways. Spin her around. And here we go. Just easing onto the throttle. 2/3 throttle, 3/4. Ooh. You know what? We're on all 4. We should probably do a launch real quick. We have not done a launch yet. Ready? Get set. Go. Alrighty guys, here we go right now with the Traxxas Slash 2-wheel drive. We're gonna send it. Oh, we lost the wheel. Are you serious? It flew off again, guys. Well, this has been a bit of a bummer, but if you guys liked me testing this out anyway, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That tire does not want to stay on. For whatever reason, she don't want to stay on whatsoever. Alrighty guys, unfortunately she broke again. The tire came off. The bead lock is not holding in place. But anyway guys, if you want to applaud my effort, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. I'll be back out here again, probably with the cheapest Traxxas Slash. Other than the wheel and the tire, other than the tire coming off, she's held up pretty well, I guess. But anyway guys, I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Take it easy guys.